Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing live analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for Monday, 12th July. So let me start off with the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, what I have opened here is a 1 hour chart. So let's just mark few levels and see what best uh, possible levels we can get for Monday. I'm going to be marking all the levels live right now. So on Bank Nifty 1 hour, we came down from a significant double top. So I'll mark that. See, we had a double top here and a bearish price action, like expand. You can see kind of like an evening star formed here, and then we slipped almost 600, 700 points. So we'll keep this high as a good resistance, and next we need to look for support. I would mark this level as a good support, and below around 34 600 again as a good support. So I'll just shift now down to a lower time frame, say about 15 minutes, because we do a lot of intraday scalping. So in order to get the best trades for intraday, so it's best to even mark levels on 15-minute time frame. So now on this 15 minutes time frame, this Friday, yesterday we had a good consolidation over here, right? So this can act as a good consolidation area where we can mark this entire area and keep. And when it comes to the resistance, even this level over here around 35 428 can act as good resistance. So these are the levels that I have for Bank Nifty for Monday, and just checking the possibility. See, based on SGX Nifty, right? SGX Nifty right now, it closed on Friday at around 67 points higher. So we could expect a good gap up. Okay, so once we get a gap up above this area, we could find some traction on the upside, and our first target is this first blue line what I marked, that is about 203 points. So how the price action could be is we could get a gap up, probably come back, test this area and go up. So if we touch this, like we gap up and come down and test this area at about 35 to 20, we would be looking for a long until here, and from here we can have a short scalp on the downside, or we could even further go up. And again on the upside, let's just mark few more resistance over here. We have one possible resistance here, and if this is taken out, yeah, we would go until here, probably not tomorrow, probably in this week, but yeah, if this is taken out. And in case we go down, like we gap up and start coming down, then I would wait for this level to be taken out, 34 946, or I would wait until this level, that is 34 900, to be taken out to go short on the downside. And immediate scalping targets for on the downside, we could also have a line over here, a support line. And this consolidation area over here will be very important. We could again remain sideways within this area. In that case, there will be no trade. Okay, and the other possibility is, as I just explained, we could go up, come take support in this area, and then go up again. Let me put that in green so we know that is the upside. And in case we go down, let me mark that in red. I would wait for this level to be taken out comfortably, that is 34 900, and then probably have these as my targets. But I'm not expecting such a big downside. Probably we will come test this and go up. This is my targets, and there is one more possible trade which I'm ready for, is we come until say this region about because it has taken a lot of time to break this right over here. See, we have had resistance over here in the past so many times in Bank Nifty around this region, around 34, sorry, 30, 35,400 to 35,500. So within this region, I'll wait and see. If we get a bearish price action, yeah, probably I'll short again until this level. So these are the three trades that I've planned for Monday. One is a bullish trade until here, then probably look for a short based on the price action. And another trade is only a short trade if this low of 34,900 is taken out. And within this box, if the price stays within this box that I've drawn, probably I'll avoid any buying any option, because we would not get good movement and good premium change will not happen. So this for Bank Nifty. Now let's just have a check at Nifty, how Nifty is doing. See, let me start off Nifty with the 1 hour chart. See, this level is again like a double top that's formed in Nifty, so we'll mark that. See, Nifty is forming kind of an ascending triangle. Sorry, Nifty is kind of forming an ascending triangle. So I was betting on this trend line, that is the trend line that I'm going to draw now. Okay, we did break this and we have come down. So there are a couple of possibilities here. This trend line can also be placed something like this, where we are taking support and going up. So for now, I'll just place it like this. See, this could be a breakdown where we have retested this trend line. We could go further down, or this could be something like this, where this was just a false breakdown and we could go up and break this out. See, this is a typical ascending triangle, right? Where you have the top touch for almost 3 times, and then probably the 4th time, this time if we reach until here, we could get a breakout. Okay, this is the overall view, like for a week. Okay, maybe in 1 or 2 weeks we could break this level, that is 15,913. So this trend line is what I was following, and on this day when Nifty fell, we shorted Nifty here and booked profit here exactly on this trend line when it took support on this candle. It looked like it's going to break down, but it didn't. And even on Friday, we didn't get a further breakdown below this. It was just consolidating in this area. Now coming for intraday levels for Monday, let me remove this trend line for now. Again, the same thing would apply for Nifty, where we have this consolidation phase, and Nifty will definitely be gapping up 65 points based on SGX Nifty open. Okay, on Friday it closed around 67 points, so we could be getting a 67 point gap up. A 67 point gap up will take us probably somewhere here right at the resistance level. So it will be crucial to see how the opening plays out. The best trade on Monday for Nifty would be wait and see. See, we could be opening around this area, around 15,800. So from here we could get an up move. If we get an up move, the first target is definitely this 15,850, because we have taken resistance so many times in this level, and then this level, and this is kind of a zone. Okay, when you have like a zone, not just one level, it's better to mark it as a zone. This can be like a selling zone. If we break this, yeah, we would be bullish again. See, we might be opening as of now with the HGX Nifty price, we might be opening somewhere around here. Okay, the price might change on Monday morning when HGX Nifty opens based on the global markets, but on Friday we had a very bullish close. So when we open here, it's a pretty good gap up, right, about 68, 67 point. So how the trade, what I have planned is, see, we could get a good sell off right at the start, some kind of a profit booking, or those who went long or something. We could get, because this is a good resistance area, we could get a nice sell off on the downside probably until here. until 7:20. That is one trade that is possible. And the other trade is, we keep this marked. And the other trade, the bullish trade, is if this level is kind of like taken out, we could get immediate bounce of 50 points until 850. Okay, and before we get some sort of sell off. In case we gap down and we stay within this box, again there will be no trade. And anything below this 15,647, yeah, we will short. And the immediate targets would be, since we are here in the price action, immediate target would be this. And we shift to a higher time frame because we are quite stretched out. This could be one target, or in this zone. And the next target is coming only here and here. Obviously we're not going to slip so much. For intraday you should not keep such big targets. It's not every day by Nifty or Bank Nifty will fall like this 100-200 points, right? So we could get a short move over here. And since this is big, this area is wide, it's about 50 points. We can even have a target of 50% until here. Once the previous day low is broken, yeah, we could see these targets at least until 600 if we are going on the downside. And these two are for the trades in case we go on the upside. So this is it for Monday analysis. Let's see how it goes on Monday. We're planning to do a live trading for Nifty and Bank Nifty on Monday, so please stay tuned to this channel. We'll be doing our first live trading in Nifty, Bank Nifty on Monday.